Today, I'll show you how to change colors of maps in Tableau. Whether you're working on a presentation or just want to enhance the visual appeal of your data, customizing the color scheme of your maps can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this easily. First, you'll want to start by heading over to tableau.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Tableau workspace. It's here that you can access all your recent projects. On the home page, look for the Recent section. This area provides a convenient way to quickly access your latest work. Select the project you want to work on and click to open it. This will bring your project into view, allowing you to start making the necessary changes. Now that you have your project open, it's time to move into the data visualization part. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a section dedicated to tables. Within this area, you should locate the state field. This is a geographic dimension and it's crucial for mapping data. Click on state and drag it into the details section of your Tableau workspace. This action will ensure that your map is populated with the correct geographic details, showing each state distinctly. Next, let's add another layer of information to your map. Find the country field, which is also located within the tables section. This time, you'll want to drag country into the label area. By doing this, each state on your map will be labeled with its corresponding country. This step is particularly useful if you're dealing with international data and want to provide more context to your audience. Now, here's where the magic happens, changing the colors. To make your map visually engaging, go back to the table section and look for the sales measure. Once you've found it, drag sales into the color area. When you do this, Tableau dynamically adjusts the map's colors based on the sales data you've provided. Higher sales values might be represented with darker shades, while lower values might appear lighter, offering a clear visual representation of your data's distribution and intensity. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to change the colors of maps in Tableau, making your data not only more insightful but also visually appealing. Remember, the key to effective data visualization is not just in the data itself, but in how it is presented. With these color adjustments, your maps will be more engaging and easier for your audience to interpret. Happy mapping!